Everybody tells small YouTubers the same lie. You're too small to make money. That is complete nonsense. In fact, being under 500 subscribers might actually be the best stage of YouTube if you know how to use it. Because right now, while bigger creators are trapped by their audience, sponsors, and the algorithm, you have something they don't. Freedom. Freedom to experiment. Freedom to fail. Freedom to blow up. And today, I'm going to show you how small creators are quietly making money before monetization, and how you can do the exact same thing starting right now. 1. The advantage of being small. Most people think having under 500 subscribers is a problem. It's not. It's actually an advantage. Because nobody expects anything from you yet. You can completely change your niche tomorrow and almost nobody will care. You can test crazy ideas, you can post bad videos, you can fail publicly without consequences. That is powerful. When your channel gets bigger, that freedom disappears. If I post a bad video on my main channel now, it can cost me thousands of dollars in sponsorships, lower views, lost subscribers, and weaker performance across the entire channel. But when you're small, a video gets 12 views, who cares? Move on. Try again tomorrow. That freedom is something big creators secretly wish they still had. 2. Stop doing this. Now, before I tell you how to grow and make money, let me save you from wasting months doing the wrong things. First, stop obsessing over gear. You do not need a $3,000 camera. Your phone is probably enough. The only thing really worth investing in early is a decent microphone, because people will forgive average video quality, but terrible audio makes people leave instantly. Second, stop trying to edit like massive creators. You are comparing yourself to teams. Some creators have editors, thumbnail designers, script writers, researchers, entire businesses behind one channel. You do not need cinematic editing to win. You need a good idea, a good title, a clickable thumbnail. That's it. The packaging matters more than the production. 3. What actually gets views? Most small creators fail because they make videos nobody is searching for. Big creators can upload a random life update and still get 100,000 views because people already know them. You can't play by the same rules yet. Instead, you need to borrow attention. This is where small creators can move fast. Talk about trending topics, popular brand apps. Use those topics to pull viewers into your world. 4. Thumbnails are everything. Listen carefully. A bad thumbnail can kill a great video. If nobody clicks, nothing else matters. Your thumbnail and title are literally your marketing department. I've worked with hundreds of creators now, and the biggest difference between channels that grow and channels that stay invisible is simple. The successful creators learn how to package videos better. Not necessarily film better, package better. 5. How small channels make money. Now let's talk about the part everybody cares about, making money before monetization. The biggest mistake small creators make is waiting for AdSense. That is the slowest way to make money on YouTube. Instead, focus on affiliate marketing. Why? Because you don't need millions of views. You just need targeted viewers. If somebody is searching for a software tool, a camera, a website, a productivity app, a course, a bank app, an AI tool, and you help them make a buying decision, you can get paid. Some creators are making thousands per month with channels under 1,000 subscribers because their videos attract buyers, not just viewers. That's the difference. A small audience with buying intent is worth more than a massive audience that never purchases anything. 6. Final motivation. Look, I know what it feels like to upload videos for months and feel invisible. I spent a long time stuck under 500 subscribers too. But now looking back, that stage was actually the most important phase of my entire journey. Because that's where you learn. That's where you experiment. That's where you build the skills that eventually separate you from everyone else who quits. So if you're a small creator watching this right now, stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop acting like your subscriber count determines your future. It doesn't. One video can change everything, but only if you keep posting long enough to make it happen. So take advantage of the freedom you have right now. Experiment aggressively, learn thumbnails, study titles, make searchable content, and start building the channel that future you will thank you for. Now comment below your current subscriber count. I want to see how early you found this video. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe, because I'm going to help you grow faster than I did.